If you just made $800 in an hour to do what I did, would you do it? It's kind of scary out here though at night, huh? You got mountain lions?
No, it is not scary. Oh, there was a mountain lion the other night. Did you?
Where? Hi, garage door?
It seems to always work if I use this,
But not with the remote?
but not with the remote.
All right.
Sometimes it'll open and close with the remote. Sometimes it just goes down, and then I have to take it all the way back up, and then it'll go part way down.
Did we put the opener in or?
No,
No.
no.
Okay, let me run it. Did it run okay with that when you push it every time?
Seems to.
Yeah, okay, yeah, because that one's hardwired in. One in your car is off of a 9-volt battery. See the little antenna hanging there?
Yeah.
It works off of that. You want to get the remote and we'll see if it works? Okay.
This is the one.
Yeah.
It'll probably work fine for you.
Yeah, it didn't work
That's
at all
always
before. It didn't work at all before?
No, I can always get it to close, but it's just touchy.
Oh, from out there?
Yeah.
And it's only going up, right? You can't get it to go up, right? Because going down, if anything blocks it, it won't go, it'll be like this. See if I'm blocking it, this is what'll happen. Well, I guess I'm not blocking it enough, but it'll do that and it'll blink. You see that? Did it do that?
No, I've never seen it blink like that.
Even like that, because I'm blocking it. And I noticed you got a lot of spider webs. And I've even gone there where, you know, the guys that blow leaves, they blow a leaf and it'll stick on the spider web right in front of the lens.
Oh.
So, but in this case, it works when I'm here.
That's what it does.
Maybe you're in the way?
No, I'm not in the way. That's what it does.
Okay, come over here a little. It's probably going to be an adjustment then on the, there's a force on there that opens and closes depending on a heavy door or a light door. So I can adjust the force on the opener and it might think it's hitting something. There's a pulling and pushing force. What it just did is exactly what it does? Mm-hmm. Not at the bottom at all?
No, it never does it at the bottom. It's always like
Okay.
up here.
Yeah, then I don't have to run it. So all I can do is I can service the door. You want me to just service it? That way it sounds kind of
Yes,
dry.
that's what I think it needs service.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's $249 to service the door.
That's fine. How often should it be serviced?
We tell people once or twice a year, but people never listen. But
Really?
yeah, but I like my own door, I do that, but I don't expect everyone to do it. It's kind of scary out here though at night, huh? You got mountain lions?
No, it is not scary. Everybody says that. Aren't you scared at night?
I always think I see one looking at me.
No, there was a mountain lion the other night. Did you?
Where?
It was in my front yard, and
God.
that was creepy
Yeah, and they even have bears. I've never heard.
because my ring alarm went off.
You actually seen it?
Yeah.
Was it big? You know what I'd do? I'd pull
If
up
it
and
is
I'd
dark-
back in.
If,
And then I'd close the door and then I'd get
I
out.
don't get out of my car until the garage door is down.
They're probably a lot scarier when you see them in person than you see it on a...
It was scary enough seeing it on my Ring camera.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll go ahead and service everything. Get out of here before the mountain lions come. Woo! I'll just make noise. Make noise. I got to keep my eye open. I feel like I'm freaked out by it, but I kind of am. I don't know why.
Yeah, she's the sweetest little thing.
Yeah.
She's a rescue.
Okay, this gets rid of all the squeak. These are weird hinges. I think I heard of that.
They're real good. They are excellent.
Okay, that's what I got. I just lubed her door. She's a nice lady, but I actually sold her a used opener. So I'm gonna go back there, tomorrow or the next day, because I didn't even fix it. Her door engaged without a load on it, it would stop. So she has an internal short. She's gonna get a new opener. I just gotta call her with the price tomorrow, because I have a couple of used ones. I told her I'd put one of those in, but I already got $249, so I'll probably get another $800. All right, then I'm back at this garage, and I'm taking down this opener. I'm just gonna undo the wires. I got that opener on the truck. That's the old one. Here's the new one I put in right there. I programmed her existing remote. Any that say, what's that noise? I'll tell you what it is. Okay, I'm done with that opener. It was a used opener. Here's the check, $800. Took me about 45 minutes, but you know, under an hour. If you just made $800 in an hour to do what I did, would you do it? All you guys that are wanting to make good money, this is where it's at. This is real stuff. You see me working, you see they pay me, you see me doing jobs. I've been doing this over 40 years now. It's actually a good life to go out and do these things and get that much money to do it. You feel important, you feel like you're helping out. Really, you're just doing the same thing over and over. And this is what we teach you. So we're gonna teach you the industry standard way of doing it. How to not only do garage doors and garage door openers and the repairs the right and simple way, I'm gonna also teach you how to market yourself, how to get jobs, how to talk to the customers, how to do everything. I'll teach you the way you're gonna get it. You're not gonna waste your time and try to do things hard. Let me teach you. You guys will be making great money. No reason you guys can't go into this business charging exactly what I'm charging. We give you price sheets too. It's gonna work. I'm just telling you. And people just keep calling. So anyway, I'll talk at you. All you gotta do is go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.